exercise 6 and 7 problems we solved. In exercise 6, first problem is minus 25 divided by which number is equal to 25. In one number is divisible by 25, we get 25. What is this number? We solve that. Minus 25 divided by x equal to 25. We don't know this number, so we assume that is x. We take that is x. 25 divided by x. Minus 25 divided by x equal to 25. Okay? Minus 25 divisible by x means minus 25 by x. Yes? Minus 25 divided by x means minus 25 by x equal to given 25 is equal to 25. That is minus 25 by 25. The x. We apply cross multiplication. Okay, 25 by x. Okay, then 25 ones are 25 ones are. That is minus 1 by 1 equal to x. That is minus 1. X equal to minus 1. Understand? Minus 25 divided by x equal to 25. Minus 25 by x. Minus 25 divided by x means minus 25 by x equal to 25. 25 by x equal to 25. We apply cross multiplication. Minus 25 by 25 is x equal to x by 1 equal to x. Okay, x by 1 means x. Minus 25 by 25, 25 ones are 25 ones are. Minus 1 by 1 means minus 1, x equal to minus 1. This means minus 25 divisible by minus 1. Verification. Minus 25 by minus 1. Minus minus cancel. Okay, 1 ones are 1, 25 are 25. Yes, we get plus 25. Yes? Okay. Next. Next problem. Minus divided by, complete this. Next, minus divided by 1. This is fill in the blank. We don't know this number. Divided by 1 equal to 49. This number we don't know. That is, we assume that is x. X divided by 1 equal to 49. X divided by 1 means x by 1 equal to 49. 49 by 1 also we can write x. That is, we apply cross multiplication. X into 1 equal to 1 into 49. That is x into 1, x. 49 ones are 49. So x means this is 49. We verify that is 49 divided by 1 means 49 by 1. 49 by 1 means 49. We get plus 49. So answer is correct. That is x equal to 49. Okay. $50 divided by 0 equal to how much? 50 divided by 0. 0 is, this means not defined. Yes, 0 by 50 equal to 0. But 0 is not a value. Yes, 0 is not a value. So 50 minus 0. We don't know this value. How we multiplied this number? So 0 is the not value. It take as a null. Okay. So 50 by 0. So this is no number. In this place no number. So how can we multiply or how can we divisible 0 by 50? So this is 50 by 0. In this any number in any rational number, this means irrational number. Yes, numerator 50 is the numerator and 0 is the denominator. Compulsory we remember in your mind, in denominator 0 is there, that rational number we can't define, that is not defined, in denominator is 0, that rational number we can't define, that is this is not defined. And fourth one, in this we observe 0 in fourth problem. This is also completed. In fourth problem, 0 divided by 1 equal to which number? 0 is the numerator. Yes. In previous problem, 0 in the denominator. So that is we not defined. But in this case, 0 is the numerator. In 0 by 1 means 0. Okay. That is 1 into 0, 0. Yes. 1 into 0. So 0 by 1 equal to 0. This is the 0. This is not defined. Understand? Minus 25 divided by minus 1. Minus cancel. 25 by 1 means 25. In this case, divided by x divided by 1 equal to 49. Therefore, x equal to 49 by 1. So 49 by 1 means 49. In this case, third problem, 50 divided by 0. In this case, 50 is the numerator and the 0 is the denominator. In denominator, in any rational number, okay, in any rational number, in the denominator place 0 is there, that is not defined. That value not defined. 0 divided by 1, in this case 0 is in numerator place, so 0 by 1 is 0 by any number, the result is 0, but the number by 0 is not defined. Okay, if take any number by 0 is not defined and 0 by any number is 0. Okay. Exercise 6 is also over. In exercise 7, 6 is completed. After exercise 7, in class test containing 15 questions, every correct answer equal to 4 marks and every incorrect answer minus 2. Bharati attempts all questions but only 9 answers are correct. What is total score? Bharati. First bit is Bharati attempts all questions. She attempts all questions. That means 15 questions he attempts. She attempts. Next, but only 9 answers are correct. In 15 questions she attempts, but only 9 answers correct. Total questions 15. She attempts 9 answers are correct. 9 answers correct. Incorrect answers means total questions minus correct answers. So we get 6 marks. 6 incorrect answers. She attempts 6 incorrect answers, 9 correct answer. Then 9 plus 6, she attempts 15 questions. Okay. 9 correct answers, 1 correct answer get 4 marks. One correct answer get 4 marks. And 9 correct answers, how much? We don't know, that is x. We apply cross multiplication. 1 into x equal to 9 into 4. 1 into x means x. 9 4s are 36. This is, she get the score to correct answers. But in 6 incorrect answers is also there. So 1 incorrect answer minus 2, but 6 incorrect answers. We don't know. Okay? 1 incorrect answer minus 2. 6 incorrect answers. We don't know. That is x. We apply cross multiplication. That is 1 into x equal to 6 into minus 2 plus into minus minus. 6 2s are 12. These are incorrect answer score. These are correct answers score. Total score means correct answers plus incorrect answers. Yes? Total score equal to correct answers and incorrect answers. So, correct answers how much? 36 plus incorrect plus of minus 12. 36 minus 12, that is 24. 24 marks. Bharati get 24 marks. 24 marks.